Hello everybody, this is Nerf and Rare Productions. Now, my head is wet because I'm showered because I'm pretty sweaty, yeah, babyish things. And now I can show you the Retaliator. Now, it's not an unboxing about that. I'm sorry, but it's like kind of an unboxing because I put it back inside, okay? Let's take out. Anyway, okay, so let's start. Okay, guys, let's start. Now, sorry, I have here to wipe my hands because I'm pretty sweaty. And I taped it again. And I have here a knife. Now, be careful, okay? Okay, so let's see the box. Okay. So, at the box, we see 4-in-1 Nerf, which is the Ice Sonic series, and now it's have a 20 meters, that guy, and Strike Elite Retaliator 8+. Now, I don't know why, and now Sonic Ice is a cool paint job because you can see it, like, and that's cool, but, like, the blue is, like, cool because it's, like, you know that it's elite. And I don't know why there's Ice Sonic Ice. And just if you just want, you can tell me. And if you want unboxings, like really unboxings and not like re-unboxings, tell me. Okay? So the back of the box. You see here all the pieces, 12 darts, and you see here all the guns that you can make. Now you can to take this out, hold it here or put it here, put it here, so you can like do all kinds of things. And this is like the Rampage that you can like boom, boom, to shoot like this. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Here, you see that kid. You see here the Sonic Ice Hellfire and the Rampage. Not Sonic's Ice. That guy. And the Retaliator. Comes with 12 darts. Okay, so let's cut it off. So you can see me cutting it off. Here we go. Ta-tam. Now let's take this off. It's pretty annoying because they store my Nerf at the box until like I put it. So here's the instruction booklet. I didn't really saw it like last night. Just open it and I saw a little bit how my dad fired. The booklet, the safety booklet. Blah, blah, blah. You don't really need to see it. Like, come on, you know. It's not that, like, you don't really know. The holder. The, how you call it? Bin, I think. Barrel, yeah. Can't just flip it up and down. Blaster. stock. Dart clip. If you can see, maybe like this, 12. And all the darts. First of all, the clip. It's cool because you can see it inside and it tells here to put the darts towards there, and to put it like this and not like this. Okay, here's a secret dart. Okay, so about the clip, it's like until here you're not gonna see it because it's gonna be inside. And if you want to put the clip in, just it clicks like that. Then you can just check, and if it doesn't work, you can do like this and like that. And to release, you just half cock it, I called, and then you can just like this. Yeah, but if it breaks, you can buy clips with darts, and then you can get darts too. The barrel. Now the barrel is spiral. As you can see it, my dad showed me that this actually connects like this. Something like that, like this. And then clicks. And you can just connect it. That. And hold it, you have a better grip. I think that it's better like this because you have here better grip, and this is only to do like that. Hold a lead dart. Lead dart, good condition, good quality. Now just gonna see how to build it. Oh, easy crap. You put the stock, this is the barrel, put this, you refill the this, yeah, half cock it, and let's do a shooting test. Yeah, I know Thomas, but yeah, so let's start. Now at higher ranges, you do like this, and if it's not so high like this, and for here, even don't say like that. You just try and shoot. Pinball. Oh, you need like to do like this, like that, and now to range. It's not so range test, but pretty. Okay, so if you can see, we're like this, a lot more. Yeah, and I'm gonna just try and zoom into it. Oh, sorry. Here, if you can see, that is it. Now, I'm gonna try and shoot. Oh no! So close. Let's see if you can see it at the camera. There. Wow. Good. Man, I need maybe to flip it like that. Oh man, that had to hit. Man, telling you that needed to be. No. I don't really know, and it's so far. I barely, not barely can see it, but it's so little. Man! Oh! Man! Now let's just see big bins. Yeah? Of the Retaliator big bins. So, you saw that? That was so cool. It's like the discs that you can hit it. Yeah, and that is cool. Like that. Okay? So, now I'm gonna flip it because I'm just. Wow. Wow, whoa, man. Yeah. Wow, you saw that? It's like it can spiral. Yeah, it's like so cool. Now it's at the barrel. Man, I don't have those. Okay, so this is Nerf. MVI Productions. Good. This is Nerf MVI Productions. Without a shooting thing. So you already know the word. Signing off. Wait, this is Nerf MVI Productions.